Hi everyone, I'm Erin Barnett along with Kelli Smith from Living East Tennessee, and we're here with a fast new recipe from the Ingles table. And Kelli, I understand this one is an absolute favorite in your fam.
It has been around for many years. It's fast, it's affordable, and you're gonna love it. It's so easy to whip up at home. Best of all, we've been to Ingles and gathered all the ingredients, and we're ready to go.
Ingles makes it easy for us.
They make it so easy. So this is a chicken enchilada recipe, and we started things off, instead of boiling chicken, just getting the rotisserie chicken at Ingles. You pull it apart, you're ready to go.
So much easier. And
Ready
the time you save, it's all worth it. Yes.
Makes life easy. We also grabbed some of their pre-sliced veggies. This calls for a medium onion.
Okay.
Pre-sliced right there in Ingles produce for you. You're saving tons of time. So what you want to do is add a little butter in your saucepan. You're going to kind of get these onions to like a translucent color. And from there, we grab the Laura Lynn brand of these wonderful green chilies. We're going to pour that right in.
Yum.
And stir this all together. My family has started this recipe book many, many years ago. Every Christmas, we give out new recipes so we can all add them and all try them
Any
together.
chance I could get added on that,
I know.
that list?
We'll
Yum.
definitely add you this year. Hey, this is cream cheese. We're just going to kind of get messy a bit.
Yes.
But pull it
But
apart.
you said this is the best way to do it, to
It's
get it
the
all spread
easiest
out.
way to do it. That way it just kind of melts in there and brings all the ingredients together. We've got messy hands now, but that's part of the fun.
Hey, you got to get in the kitchen.
That's how
and
we
have fun
cook in
with
the South, right?
it. Yes.
Okay, all of this is going to just over the next few minutes melt together and make this wonderful filling. From there, you've got this great mixture. We've got our chicken all ready to go. So I'm gonna move this a little closer.
And we're just pouring that right on top,
You're
right?
gonna pour it right on top over the chicken, and then simply stir all this yummy goodness. And from there, we grab pre-made tortilla shells.
Yes. Which they had such a selection.
Oh my goodness.
At Ingles, we had a hard time
You name it,
figuring
they've
out
got
which
it
ones we
there.
wanted. So good.
With this mixture, you're just gonna make sure it's all covered nicely.
And you did 8-inch tortillas with this one, right?
8-inch tortillas,
Awesome.
and you're basically gonna get 2 tablespoons, or
I'll let you do the first
I
one
say
so I can learn your ways.
friendly helpings of this mixture right into the center. And I'm gonna have you pull my casserole dish right over.
Absolutely. Oh, that's another word we love in the South.
I know.
Casserole, well, 2 words. Casserole dish.
I think everything
Yum.
in our family recipe ends in the word casserole. So 2 great
Hilarious.
little helpings. You're gonna fold and you're gonna go seam side
that's it.
down. And we're
not
gonna
hard at
work our
all.
way right across. And you should have exactly enough to help you all the way across your casserole
I'll
dish
pinch
there.
those together as you get started on the next. Yeah, we've got a big team to feed around here.
This doesn't end all the fun
No.
on the casserole. We're gonna add lots of cheese, as you can
Yum.
imagine. We're adding mozzarella
Okay.
all the way across. We're using the entire pack. Again, the Laura
Yes,
Lynn
the
brand.
entire pack.
I know.
Yes, the Laura Lynn brand.
I did
so
not
good.
say this was calorie conscious.
Hey,
So we're going
there's no
with
rules
it.
in this kitchen about that.
Go right ahead. You've got an Italian cheese blend. We're adding 2 full things of
Yum.
cheese. Can you go wrong with
Speaking
that?
my language. Love it.
And we end things off with a little Laura Lynn
More cream.
heavy whipping cream. Why not, right?
Oh,
This
my
kind of gives you that
goodness.
creamy enchilada sauce that
Wow.
just makes it melt in your mouth.
Yummy. And how long is this going to go in the oven?
This is going to cook for about 40 minutes on 350 degrees. And here's your final
Gives
product.
you time to get the homework done,
know,
get everybody
right?
situated, and then you're ready to eat this delicious dish. Look at this.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
and
so
add all
good.
the good stuff to it, for
All
sure.
right. Well, we know
That's
your
it.
family's going to love this.
They will.
Oh my goodness. So, so good. Thank you for joining us here at the Ingles table.
Yeah, we want to thank you so much for being part of all the fun today. Make sure you enjoy the rest of the site for all the great tips and tricks on cooking. We'll see you next time.